Guys, we're gonna install the red push to start button in the A90 Supra. All right guys, so to get this process started, we're gonna prep it with the alcohol. Rub this down, get any oils and stuff off there. And I'm just gonna dry it real quick. Best thing is not to touch the brake when you're doing this. So now we're gonna take our, what we used to call this back in the early 90s and 2000 was Puba. Basically the stuff, it's called butyl, rubber butyl, stuff that holds windshields in and stuff. So now that's dry, another secret is to have this warm. This is our 4th time doing this. We've already done this, so we proved it out. Basically you just need to stick this on here and pull really quick. So that's it. So now what we're gonna do, pull that off. So this is the OEM one. You can see it's really nice and clear. It actually has a texture to it. Most of you guys won't notice or care on the difference there. I can rub my fingernail across it and I can feel it. All these aftermarket ones, you can see the differences in some of these. So here's the difference in this one versus that one. Now a lot of this is a mood point, like you don't really tell once it's in the car. But yeah, so this is the button we're going to install in the car. This is the one we found. Is the nice crisp lettering. It also has the best red to it. So anyways, let's get to installing it and go from there. So here's the red one. We're gonna do the quick install. Notice how I was talking about this is like an amber color, so it's already shooting out. So this is gonna match perfectly. So let's get this in here. And it's as simple as, our kit is gonna come with this, or our red button. Basically you're gonna stick it on the thing. We'll show you again with this red one. You're gonna pull it off, and you're gonna clean it off, and you're gonna put the button back in. So let's get this off my fingers here. Just slide it in. We appreciate it if you guys subscribe. We know the statistics on the back end, about 80% of you guys are watching, but you're not subscribed. So click that bell, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more Supra stuff. Thanks.